This is Mark from Team How To, and we're teaching the masses how to.
Hey guys, Mark from Team How To. Today I'm going to be discussing how to disable your login screen of your Windows 10 machine. This will allow you to not have to enter your password every time you start your PC. In the past, Windows OS's the disabling function was much more intuitive, and you could generally just stumble your way into it, but for some reason the Windows 10 decided to make this a lot harder. They buried it in there, probably because security is a bigger issue these days, I'm not sure. But in any case, let me take a quick minute to be very clear that this tutorial is not going to show you how to get into your PC if you've locked yourself out. If you don't know the password, this won't help you. You'll need your password in order to make this so that you'll not have to use your password in the future. That can, however, be a topic for another day. If there is some interest among viewers, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make one of those about that in the future. Now, if you still have a need to lock your computer, occasionally this will still allow you that option. You can still use your Windows key and the L on your keyboard, that keyboard shortcut, to lock it, and then when you try to get back in that next time, it won't allow that until you've logged back in. So now that we've got exactly what this video is going to be about out front, let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to need to do is get to the Users Account section of the Windows settings. The easiest way I know how to do that is to hit the Windows key on your keyboard and then start typing User Accounts, U-S-E-R space A-C-C-O-U-N-T-S. Now the first thing you can see that pops up here on top, at least in my case, is Add, Edit, or Remove Other Users. That's the correct option to pick. When that comes up, what we're going to do is on the left over here, we'll click the Sign In options. And on the right, you just scroll down until you see Require Sign In. And what you want to do is make sure this is checked as Never, or you can also have When PC Wakes Up from Sleep. We're going to click Never, and then we'll just get out of there. So we can hit Exit. This has an auto save feature, which is awesome. Now, once again, we're going to hit the Windows key, and now we're going to type NETPLWIZ. And this should only bring up this one option, and we just click it, and it brings up this dialog box, User Accounts. And you can see up top I've already unchecked mine. This box could be checked, but it's called Users must enter the username and password to use this computer. The default here is checked. I've unchecked mine. So you uncheck it, hit Apply, and it's going to ask you to put in your password. So you just type in your password, repeat it, and then hit OK. And now that it knows it, you can hit OK. And all you have to do now is go down. Now just restart your PC, and when it boots up again, it will not ask you for the password at startup. I hope this helps somebody out. Please like this video if you found it helpful. It keeps me motivated to continue making more videos.
Hey, did you remember to subscribe?